It's another beautiful day in southwest Trinidad. So this evening I'm just going to take you through the pieces of my little kitchen garden. Right, so we have some Julie mangoes flowering now, as you can see. It's the dry season here in Trinidad, and of course it's the time when mangoes starts to bear. Alright, so we have a lime tree here. We have a lime tree here. We have another one here with a lime in it. Now lime has its valuable place. You can make juice with it, you can use it to wash your fish and chicken and meats and all that. Very, very, you could use that, it can be used as medicine as well. Alright. Pimento pepper. Well, for you all, I guess this is a favorite thing to add to your dishes, pimento. And my stuff is all organic here, people, all organic. I just add a little cow manure to our soil here. We have a kind of loamy soil in our part. And we have a little bit of sugar cane here. This is a black sugar cane, it's very sweet. Alright. Cane juice. I love eating cane. Alright. I have a couple Julie mangoes on the tree. Started to come in here. Some smaller ones. Wow. So it's really dry this time, yeah? This time of the year is really dry. Look at the earth. It's really lacking a lot of moisture right now. So this is Caleb and Emily's swing here. They actually come here and swing sometimes. I made 2 swing for them. Yeah. Touch the rope. So they will take a little swing here on evenings. Yes. Attach up to the tree here. Alright. So this is my little kitchen garden here. I have a few things here. I have some scythe in this barrel here. I have some pimentos growing here. Sweet pepper. This is a sweet pepper here. Just water them. You see the droplets of water on them still. I have 2 in this tree right here. Alright. I have a couple of them here as well, as you can see. So yeah, they are coming really good. But as I said, it's a dry season, and you really have to keep them hydrated. See, if you could look, you could probably see some of them. So I have some coralie planted here, and yes, we are starting to see some now. I built a little, what we call a machan here for it, and yeah, you could see a couple of them coming out now. I have one right here. I have another one right here. I love coralie, you know. I mean, some people, they say that it's bitter and all that. If you watch carefully, you might see a kite flying up in the distance there. Very noisy. Alright, so it's a beautiful evening, man. And look at this. I'm getting another bunch of plantain. Wow. Really nice bunch of plantain here. Now these plantains, believe it or not, people, when they are full, I would have weighed them individually, and actually there were a few of them that actually had close to 3 pounds. Believe it or not. Right. This is my coralie area here, and if you all are following my videos, you would have noticed that this pawpaw tree was not bearing at all. And I remember a guy who visited Africa. He told me that I should do this to the tree. Drive a wedge through the center of the tree, which I did here, like this. And guess what? When I did this, the tree started to bear a lot of pawpaw. And this is evidence right here. Look at the evidence right here, people. Look at the evidence right here. Look at those lovely purple now. Yeah? I have a couple of celery here. In these crate here. So sometimes instead of discarding these plastic bottles into the environment, you could actually cut them and you could actually make a little container where you could actually put your get your little celery and stuff like that. And guess what? Look at this, folks. This is the plantain I'm speaking about. Look at the bunch up there. Wow. Nice looking bunch, man. Yeah. So if you like plantain, let me know in the comments below, man. Some people like it boiled in soup. Some people like fried plantain. You could do a whole lot of stuff with plantain. Plantain tart. Yeah? Whole lot of stuff you could do with plantain. This is the fever grass tree here. And this is pumpkin. This is a pumpkin. Caleb planted this. I told him that he don't have much space to run around the place, you know, but he still insists that he have to plant it. Now I thought I lost this pumpkin tree here because the branch broke out, and guess what? It started to sprout back. Now, if you look carefully, you will see like some branches started to sprout out from the side of it. I almost thought I lost this tree. The branches started to dry and break off, and then I'm seeing signs of it kind of rejuvenating, right? Yeah. I have a couple tomatoes as well, but the tomatoes kind of finished bearing now. Most of them are dried out. Just have a couple of them left on it. Yeah. Just have a couple of them left on it now. So, if you look carefully, you will see on my pumpkin tree, I have a couple of pumpkins there. Nice pumpkins there. So folks, once you have the space, or even if you have receptacles like barrel or what have you, I urge you to do a backyard garden, man. Get some compost manure. Now this is what I use here right now. The soil in our part is very good soil. It's a kind of loamy soil. So I take the cow dung, which you can see evidence of here. Allow it to dry for a little bit because you don't want it to be too strong to burn the plant. And you just mix it into the soil, and definitely you will have good stuff. This is all organic stuff, people. Nothing here I use chemical whatsoever in my my stuff. Right, this is all homegrown organic stuff. All right, all organic stuff here, people. All organic stuff. Right, so this is like the last bearing of the tomato here. I have some hot pepper here. Right, and you can see starting to probably sprout out a few here now. Hot pepper. Now this tree, we got it on the beach as a plant, and it actually is a fat pork tree. Now there's a pink rosy fat pork that we all know. The correct name, the scientific name for it is Chrysobalanus ikaku. And it's a kind of pinkish, longish fruit. It has a white, fleshy pulp. This one actually is a black one, right? I have some videos with it as well. So it's starting to show some flowers now, as you can see. Signs of flowering here. So I'm kind of eager to see them, to see the tree bear. It has been here for quite a little while. But what I can tell you about this fruit, the fat pork, this is the tree that Icatus got its name from. The Amerindians used to call it Icaco, and then when the Spanish came, they call it Icacus. Alright, so this is the fruit that Icatus got its name from, right? You have a little soursop in the corner. You have some cassava growing there. You all know this tree? Let me know in the comments below. If you all know this tree, let me know in the comments below. It has very good medicinal value. Let me know in the comments below if you guys know this tree. And we have, look, another trees here. Another patch here. And of course, one of my favorite fruits, soursop. Soursop. Yeah? Some nice sours up here. Yeah, I realize I have a pineapple here too, boy. Oh my gosh. If I wasn't filming this evening, I would have never come to notice, you know. But look at how cute it is. I didn't believe I have a pineapple growing up here, you know. Wow, look at him. Nice little fellow, man. Wow. I'm actually shocked to see him here, man. Nice little pineapple, man. Look at him. Well, Caleb done marking that for chow there already, you know. I know that. I guess you all know this fruit. This is pomegranate. This is what we call pomegranate. This is a pomegranate tree. Some people call it anar. This one is kind of coming in now. I think when it gets all yellowish, reddish, and it gets a little soft, it's time to harvest it. Very nutritional fruit. So folks, have a good evening. From Southwest Adventures, man. Let me look at this beetle here. I'm doing a little nature tour this evening, a little bit of the garden and everything. I have a pretty little beetle here, but first time I've seen this fella. Well, cute little fella. You guys seen him? Really, look at the greenery in this fella. Very attractive, eh? Wow. I never seen a beetle this pretty. This is really pretty. Look at the fluorescent green in him. Wow. You guys seen this? If you all know the name, you could probably let me know in the comments below. But it's very unusual. I'm wondering if I discover a new species here. Wow, this is so amazing. Wow. Look at the colors, people. Look at the colors and design on this thing. This is so amazing. Right. Wow. I would really like to know the name. Let me just give you a little frontal view of him if I could. Wow. That's a really nice, attractive beetle there, boy. All part of nature, people. And all happening here at Southwest Adventures, man. So we're signing out. Have a blessed evening.